Hey everybody, today we are going to test this DeWalt DCS356 Type 2. It's a oscillating, what I call a plunge cutter, and we're going to try it on metal today. So this is a little test and review on how it's going to cut through these. They're actually stainless screws with regular steel washers. On my boat, and we're gonna cut through these shafts, and I'm using a bimetal blade, and this is the in case there's any question, brushless motor, XR with a weak small battery that it comes with the kit. So one thing I do like about this oscillating cutter is that the variable trigger, you just give it a little bit of trigger, as little bit as you can get, and look at how slow it starts. It's about 50%, 60, 70, all the way up to 100. So I love the variable trigger. It's a really, it feels good in your hand. I think it's a good tool. So let's just set this right here. Without any further ado, we're going to get to work. All right, there's one. There's two. It still doesn't want to come off, so we'll go for number 3. Got to kind of wedge it in between here. It's going to put a lot more pressure on the blade. Three. We'll get this last one. Try to split the seam. I don't need to make any. Yeah. No, you don't have it. There you have it. 4 nice clean cuts. That's nothing. These tools are so handy when you've got, say, nuts like this that just aren't going to come off easy, and they needed to be replaced anyway. I didn't ever use this fishing pole holder on the front of my boat. So I would say this tool is a definite must-have. Thanks for watching.